Did you know one man spent 120 years building a boat while everyone called him crazy? God looked down at earth and saw only evil everywhere. But there was one good man named Noah. God warned Noah about a terrible flood that would cover the whole world. Build a giant boat, God said. Make it 450 feet long. Noah had never seen rain before. Nobody had. But he obeyed God anyway. Every single day for over a century, Noah cut wood, hammered nails, and covered the boat with sticky pitch. His neighbors laughed and pointed. What a fool, building a boat with no water around. But Noah kept working. He kept preaching about God's coming judgment, year after year after year. Then something amazing happened. Animals from everywhere started walking toward the boat. Lions, elephants, birds, all going inside by themselves. God shut the door. Then the first raindrop fell. The laughing stopped. Noah wasn't crazy after all. He was the only one ready.